Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really lovely unboxing to share with you, and it's this beautiful pink round hat box sitting right here in the center. I also have my brand new pink lamp. Yes, if you've been on my Instagram, I posted about this. I know it has nothing to do with handbags or small leather goods or accessories, but you guys know that I moved to our new apartment just a few months ago over the summer, and we're starting to now add little key pieces here and there to sort of spruce up the home. And as picky as I am, I finally found a lamp that just puts a smile on my face every time I pass by. This one here is beautiful, long, slender, pink glass bottom, and then the top has this pleated top. It's this really tall pleated lamp. It's hard to show the whole thing because it is quite lengthy, but I wanted to show you just at least a part of it because I really like this lamp, and it goes so well, the pink on pink here, so you can see what I'm going for. And I also wanted to show you, you guys already know if you've been here before, I am a plant lady. I love to bring the nature indoors, especially living in Manhattan. It's the concrete jungle, and I like to just have greenery around me, fresh greenery. And snake plants are my favorites because they are very low maintenance. It doesn't matter where you put them, in low light or strong light. It's just really easy to maintain a snake plant. And they're just so beautiful, as you can see. So I've got a variety of them, all different sizes, all kind of sprinkled around my apartment. And all this to say that I've always gravitated towards plants because not only do they bring a cheerful vibe to your apartment, and they're also very healthy, but they live, right? As long as you maintain them, they live a long time, and you can repot them and they'll continue to grow, and it's just a lovely thing to see. So I've always gravitated towards plants versus flowers, and that brings me to this beauty here. Flowers are so pretty. I love receiving flowers and displaying them. They're always such a pop of color, but they wither and die in just a matter of days. By the time they're clipped and given to you, they're already starting to die. So I know it's a depressing way to put it, but very different from plants that just continues to thrive and live. So I was really excited to find out about this company called Rose Forever. Okay, so let me open this beautiful, soft, velvety box up for you. First here it says Rose Forever, New York. And of course, as a New Yorker, I love to find out about New York companies, New York brands. I love to support New York brands. And after researching, I discovered that Rose Forever was started just a year ago. Yep, in 2019. So look at how pretty this is. They are a fairly new company. Yes, and so light. So these are actual roses, beautiful pink roses that were handpicked, and they are preserved with natural oils. So no chemicals, no contaminants, nothing like that, nothing harsh, all natural oils to preserve these flowers. And so they should last about a year or potentially longer. And yeah, they're not going to die on you within 5, 6, 7 days. They're going to last quite a bit. So if you wanted to use them as home decor, they will be beautiful to display somewhere on your shelf, in your bedroom, on your vanity. And also, can't believe we're already in the last quarter of 2020. It's kind of crazy to think about it that way, but this year is almost over, this bizarre year, and the holidays are upon us. The holidays are right around the corner. I'm starting to see all kinds of holiday decor in the shops. I'm seeing beautiful advent calendars coming out. I saw one from Dior that was stunning, one from Saint Laurent, gorgeous. I will admire them from afar. I will not be buying them for myself, but maybe I will consider buying them as gifts for loved ones because they're just so stunning and they're so fun as you open each day, right? But my point is the holidays are around the corner, and if you're looking for something really beautiful that will kind of make a mark, right? Something really sort of luxurious and something that stands out, but you don't want to spend a fortune, these roses could be the thing, right, for you to buy as a gift for someone. So this one here, I believe the original price is $299 or somewhere about that, around that mark, but they are having a sale across the board, and I believe the price has come down to $149. And then I do have an exclusive promo code for you guys, just for my subbies, and the code is Hello Catwalk City 15. So I'll put the code down in the description box below, as well as the link. And if you use the link and the code, then you get $15 off your order. So that's pretty neat. I get nothing for it, no commission, no nothing like that. Of course, if I did, I would just be very transparent transparent and tell you, but I just wanted to share the promo code in case you wanted to buy one of these for yourself or for a loved one. Now, there are different sizes and different colors and also different shapes. So I was able to choose between a square box or a round box, and I just really, really love this round like hat box style, and it's so soft, so velvety. There's also different color roses. You can have ivory, you can have red, you can have different variations of pink. There are also some fun pops of color like blue with really deep saturation. I think I even saw black. There are definitely black boxes as well, so you can go for a really ultra chic look depending on your style or maybe your home decor. But as you can see, I am going for the feminine pink vibe at the moment, so I thought these would be absolutely gorgeous, and they are. They're so pretty. By the way, I love that it sits right in here, so it adds like another layer of dimension. You see that? So pretty if it sits right on top of the lid. And then this one here has 16 roses, and there are other sizes. You can get a smaller version with 9 roses. I think I even saw like a single rose one. And then there's a really large one that has 36 roses, which is 3 dozen, right? That's pretty substantial. So yes, there are lots of options depending on who you're shopping for, whether it be for yourself or for someone else. I do think it's really pretty, and now I'm starting to rack my brain on, maybe this would be a good housewarming gift for someone, a friend or a relative who may have just moved, or birthday present. I remember recently I sent my girlfriend a bunch of flowers and they arrived damaged and wilted. And of course I got a refund, but the point is, it was really disappointing because it was a birthday present for her, and what she received was not at all, looking very nice. So even though I got my refund, I felt just so upset that she had that experience on her birthday. So now I know I'd probably choose one of these instead, because I know they'll come in a beautiful box like this, so well made, so well put together, and with natural oils, like I said, with no chemicals. The only thing is, this one here, I just wanted to make sure this one here is not going to smell like roses. I guess as part of the preservation process, the natural rose scent kind of goes away. So if you buy roses for yourself purely because you love the rose scent, then you may be disappointed, because this one here is really for the visual effect and for the pop of color and all of that. It's not going to give off the natural rose scent, unfortunately. But I still think that it would make a beautiful gift for someone. And I kind of wish I knew about this company before when I sent my friend those flowers, because I definitely would have chosen these instead. And by the way, they are about the same price as a real, set of flowers, or like a vase full of flowers or a bouquet of flowers, especially in the city here. In Manhattan, the flowers are very expensive with delivery charges and everything. So again, I think this one here holds its value really well, considering especially that it's going to survive for a year. How cool is that? So here's a close-up. And I know the lighting is a little bit muted today. I'm not right by my window as usual. I kind of wanted to show off my lamp, and so I've got a soft light going on and a different angle. Hopefully you don't mind. And again, if you do decide to shop with Rose Forever, make sure to use the link and my promo code in the description box below so that you get that $15 off. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and you enjoy anything that has to do with like pretty, frivolous, luxurious things, I would welcome you to subscribe, because I've got a lot more videos coming. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.